Okay, ladies, good to see everybody. Today we are going to go over how I schedule or pre-schedule my Instagram and Facebook posts. I recently learned how to do this and now I'm feeling real smart. So hopefully I don't mess this up and confuse anybody. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, so I'm going to share a screen because I love to share a screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is, can y'all see this? Can you see that my screen is being shared? Which y'all see?
Yes, yes.
Mommy, you're
Okay.
supposed to glue them in order. Like,
So I'm going to go to Facebook. The catch is it only works for your business pages. It will not allow me to do this for my other page, my regular page. So I'm going to come here to Year of Ushima, which is my business page, and then I'm going to come over here to the left side and it says publishing tools. So where it says publishing tools, that's where I want to go to. And it's going to eventually pull it up and close some windows out of here. Okay. I don't know. It's hard for me. It won't like populate right away sometimes. Let me refresh the screen. Okay. Slowly coming up. Okay, let me go out. Let me try it again. For some reason, it's not coming right up. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my pages, or I could have just went down here to Year of Ushima. Can y'all hear his video game? Y'all can hear that in the background? Okay. Jackson, close your door for me. Close the door, please.
my door?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, publishing tools. Let's see if it works this time. It says waiting for Facebook. I also did something called Planoly. It was recommended to me, but I haven't played around with that enough to do this. Okay, here it comes. Slowly, slowly but surely. Okay. All right, so this shows all the ones that were already published, but here's the ones that I have scheduled. So as you can see, I have them scheduled all the way out to February 8th. It's not every post I'm going to put out between now and February 8th, but the ones that I am doing as a marketing strategy or something that I really just feel is important, I'm scheduling those. So let me show you. So here it says create post. I'm going to click on that. It's going so slow, y'all. So I have this little area here to the left. It's asking me, where do you want to send this? I want to send this to my Facebook and my business Instagram page. It actually sends your post to two different places, your Instagram and your Facebook, which is awesome. So I'm going to go to add, you can add a photo. So far, I've been trying to add videos to it. It will not allow me to add a video. I can show you how I've been able to add a video to it, but it's not just straightforward like that. So I'm gonna go to, say I want to post this one. So I picked the picture that I want. What text would I like? I'm going to write something. Is it original Nubian Star or Nubian Star on Instagram?
It's original Nubian Star.
Okay. Oh, my internet is unstable. Y'all see that? Just like my life sometimes. That's okay. We're going to keep on pushing. Okay. So this is the post I want to create. It says, stay warm this Valentine's Day with the soft, comfortable custom scarf from Comfy Crafts at Nubian Star, original Nubian Star, and a Somebody's Blue t-shirt from yearofyoushima.net. Then actually, let me put it as a link. Even though with Instagram, the links don't work with Instagram. But on Facebook, the links work. Okay, so I see this is what I want. Now I'm gonna go, instead of hitting publish, I'm gonna hit the little arrow and I'm gonna schedule this post. It's really simple. So I wanna post this on Sunday. I wanna post it on Sunday at 4:00 p.m. So one thing I found when I was researching how to do this is that Instagram has times that they suggest that you post. And they are 11 a.m., 1 p.m., and 4 p.m. Those are the times. This is just my, I don't know, it's just acting stupid. I don't know why that's coming up. So then I'm going to schedule my post and it's going to save it. So down here on the left, it says it may take a few minutes to schedule this post. You can confirm it was successfully scheduled by checking the post tab. And as you can see, it's scheduled. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. Now, if you want to do a video, because the video is not working for me, so I've had to go directly to YouTube. Oh, Chanel, I tried to open your video earlier. It wouldn't let me do it. It said video was not available. So give me your YouTube name. We could use yours. It's CC's Inc.
I haven't used my YouTube channel yet.
Oh, okay. You sent me a YouTube link and it just didn't, it wouldn't let me open.
I didn't start it yet. I didn't make it go active.
Oh. Okay. So say I want to post this. Well, I already did the pharmacogenetics testing. Say I want to post this again. Or let's post this because this doesn't have that many views. So say I want to post this one. I want to get this back out there into the rotation. I'm going to come to share. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back to Facebook and create a post. Okay, so I made my caption and I put the link right there. It's not going to show me anything right now, but when it's time for it to publish, the link is going to become active. So I'm just going to do the same thing, but it's going to make me add a photo. That's right. I forgot about that. It's going to make me add a photo. So I'm going to pick a photo. Which one is this? Just pick something. I want to pick something that has something to do with that. I think, okay. I'm going to use that. And once that uploads, then it should give me permission. Okay, so now it's telling me that the cut of the picture isn't right. So I have to choose a different cut. So I'm just going to choose to crop it like this. Can I crop it like that? Let me see if that's the option. Okay, so I have to crop it in order for it to fit the dimensions that it needs to fit. I'm gonna publish this. I'm gonna schedule this post for tomorrow at 1:00 p.m. That's it. And so that's how I have to put I have to hit schedule post. That's how I have to put my videos in here. I don't know if other people are able to go ahead and just put a video in there, but even like a 1-minute clip, it just kept thinking for like 45 minutes. So I just assume it doesn't work that way. It's pretty self-explanatory. Does anybody have any questions though? Does it look difficult? Doable? Has anybody used this yet? No. So
No, and I want to though.
yeah, I mean, it freed up so much time. I even learned how to pre-schedule YouTube videos. Do y'all know how to do that too?
Wait, I do have a question. Can you only do it on a computer?
Yes. So I have not been successful in doing this on my phone. Good question. I tried. It doesn't give me the option for publishing tools. Not on my phone, just on my laptop. Yep. So all the pictures that I have on my phone that I want in my posts, I put them in Canva since I can access that anywhere. And then I just download them to my computer and that's how I do it. I'm paying for Dropbox. I don't know how to use Dropbox. I'm about to cancel that subscription because I don't even know how to get in it. Janine, what you laughing for? You know how to do Dropbox?
I did.
I mean, I do have Dropbox.
First came and I don't know how to do it now.
I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to open them. I don't know how to do it.
Yeah. I just use Dropbox just to save like old tax files and stuff because it was convenient to have the backup.
Okay. Well, it's not convenient for me because I don't know how to get to none of my stuff. And I did it so that I can save my big videos. And I was like, oh, I could transfer my big videos from my computer to my phone and vice versa very easily. I don't know how to get to none of it. So Dropbox got all my business and I can't access it like a bank, like your taxes.
Do you need you need an external hard drive?
I do. And I bought several, but I don't know where any of them are. And I need to find them because it can be some very damaging stuff on there. So I do need to find them. I don't know what I did with them. I be putting stuff up to find later and I just never find it later. That's it. Any other questions? It's easy, y'all. I was so excited when I figured this out. I felt like a genius. I felt like Janine with her tax stuff.
Me? No, simple.
Janine be
Anyone
speaking
can
in
do it.
numbers. Oh, okay. That's why you saw. Did you see
Anyone
mine yet?
can do it. Anyone.
Did you see mine? Yeah. You saw that mess I sent you.
I looked at it, but
yeah.
we had a conversation about it. We had a conversation.
Okay, I'm nervous. That doesn't sound good. We're not going to put that on the video. Anybody else have a question? Or are we good to go? I'm about to turn the video off. We good? Okay,
Okay.
let me stop.
Thank you. That's going to be very helpful.
You're welcome. It
Yeah,
was,
thank you.
I
Yeah,
told you,
I
quick